welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. So welcome along to another video today. I don't know about you, but it is really hot by us at the moment. So it's been very slow progress in the dollhouse this week. I have managed to do a little bit of renovation in my bathroom, but I was absolutely boiling hot and I had to put my neck fan on to keep myself cool. So I haven't made much furniture or lots of things, but I have done the key decor, the floor and the walls and stuff, and I'll just share with you my ideas for the renovation. So as always, I'd like to say thank you for subscribing to my channel. Please give this video a like. And let me know what you think in the comments. I do love to interact with people, and I have been getting some great tips and ideas from people, so thanks ever so much. I am going to try and put some of them into practice, so hopefully you'll see your ideas in future dollhouse videos. I've just been showing you pictures of my bathroom in the dollhouse, how it was originally decorated, with a couple of updates. I did add another piece of furniture, took a shelf away and put a cabinet in, and just did a very minimal update, changed the rugs and things like that. Obviously I'm going to do a big overhaul now because if you've been watching my videos, you know I've done a bit of a plan. I've moved the bedrooms upstairs, I've moved the living room upstairs, so I thought as I'm making such big changes, I better do something to the bathroom as well. I can't really keep it the same. So that's what I'm going to show you, how I have made a start on this project. So I got these lovely tiles from Poundland. They're really nice. You can actually use them in your real kitchen, and they're so simple to use, just sticky tiles. So you just peel them off and they sort of slot into each other. And then you could actually, as I say, in your real house, you could put them as a backsplash in a bathroom or a kitchen, or anywhere really. But I am going to use them as the floor in my dollhouse. Stuck it over the old floor, but I think I am actually going to take that out and put them down again because there's a little bit of looks a little bit lumpy, so I am going to try my best to try and make it look really nice. So I am going to just relay that floor and I'll show you that again in a minute. Here is my shower cubicle, but I have got new plans for the shower cubicle, so I might still keep the shower head that I've made and the back wall possibly, but I used a sort of a plastic, a very light plastic, which you can see sort of it's sort of straight but it's not quite. It gives the impression of glass. I think I might actually use real glass out of a picture frame. And I'm also going to slightly change the layout of the cubicle, so that's going to be a future project and that will be coming up in another video soon. So here comes the sad bit. Before you can renovate, you have to demolish. So I'm tearing off the wallpaper, and also I'm going to take the jute off the light because I'm going to have a different colour scheme, so I'm not going to use the jute and the wood. I'm going sort of white and black. The wallpaper has gone, so it's all white. I've taken away the skirting board for now, and I have actually relayed the floor, so it's actually a little bit flatter now. So that's all going on nicely. Now I'm going to put up the new wallpaper. It's so easy and simple to get dollhouse printables online. It just makes a smaller pattern so it fits with a dollhouse, whereas some patterns could be perhaps a bit too large, like real wallpaper could be too large scale for in a dollhouse. But you can use anything. You could even do your own designs on paper. So, you know, the options are endless. But I've gone with this nice geometric pattern, and I've put that all up. I've left a gap at the bottom because I'm planning on doing some sort of paneling, I think. I mean, I possibly could wallpaper down and put the skirting boards on, but I thought I would like to do some paneling. Now I've got two ideas for paneling. One is to actually use the tiles from the floor and put them up the wall, maybe 2 rows up or 3 rows up, I'm not sure yet. The other option is to do some wooden panelling with lollipop sticks. I've just kind of grabbed my skirting boards and arranged them into a sort of a rough idea. I thought maybe one board along the bottom, then the sticks going vertical, and then another horizontal board on top. Obviously that doesn't look great because it's actually different size sticks there, so it doesn't quite work, but it's just to try and give myself a little impression. So I've got to decide. I don't know whether anybody wants to drop a comment about what you think, but I've got to decide whether I want to do this paneling with the wooden sticks, or whether I'm going to go with the tiles that I already have as a continuation of the floor. I'm not really sure yet, so that's something that's got to be decided. So I'm going to obviously keep my toilet because I'm quite pleased with how I made that with a little plastic plant pot and a piece of foam board and a Tic Tac container. I think that worked out quite nicely. Here's an idea about layout. So I'm thinking the shower, I have that shower back wall there. Instead of putting it front facing, I'm thinking of side facing it, and then putting a glass panel in front of the, to separate the shower from the toilet. So that's one possible idea. I'm going to keep my seat yourself sign, and I will be keeping some furniture, but I will also make some new furniture. I made this cute rug here using printables. So it's 2 printables, and then I've glued on painstakingly tiny threads, glued them all on, and then covered them with some washi tape. So you can't see where the threads have been attached. So I think I'll probably use it this side round, but the other side is an option if I wanted to have a little change. It's always nice to have a reversible change, so I thought that worked out well. I'm thinking I might keep the toilet roll holder, although I'm thinking also I might make a little basket to put the toilet rolls in, so that's a possible idea. I think it's already starting to look completely different to what it was, so it's definitely progressing, just as I say, going a bit slow because of the heat. I'm thinking of using that white thing as a bin, and then I got these cute little jars from the works. They've got beads in them, but I could easily turn it into shampoo and things like that. I've also got my towel rail, but I don't know whether I'm going to keep it, whether the wooden towel rail goes with my new sort of modern white and black look. So I may very well make a radiator to go on the wall. And then the white unit, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep that yet or not. I am going to change the sink area that I had, because I say that was made of, there was jute and wood. So I'm definitely going to make a new sink. I'm also going to decorate the light. I'm going to wrap it with this black and white, and that makes the nice black and white pattern. I think that looks really good. And it's already, as I say, already starting to come together quite nicely, although there is a way to go. So I've still got my tissues and my little plant I shall incorporate into the scheme. And then I don't know whether I'm going to keep this sink, or whether I might change that sink for the kitchen and make a new sink. So I've got some decisions to make, but I've already made a really good start, so I'm feeling really positive. I've just got to keep going and hope that it's not too hot, because it is supposed to be getting a little bit hotter. So I'll see how I get on, and hopefully I can show you some more next week. Or I might move into a different room or something else. So hopefully you'll tune in next week and see what I've decided to do. I hope you enjoyed that little look in the bathroom, and if you've got any advice, I would gladly hear it. Thank you very much. But I'm really just, as I'm sure everybody does with the doll's houses, just enjoys making the changes and just decorating. It's just so much fun. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next week. So for now, take care. Bye bye.